Statistics of manager. In this, we are going to solve a problems on normal distribution. So first, let us start with the meaning of normal distribution and the formula which we will be using while solving the problems. A normal distribution means the probability distribution which has the following probability density function. In short, we call it as PDF. It is a normal distribution. Here, the variable x is continuous and it is a normal variant. This is the formula which we will be using for solving the normal distribution. Now let us start with the first problem. So this is our first question which we will be solving, and it has 7 bits in which we will solve first one, that is less than 50. So to solve this, we will take the given data. Here we are given a number which is 42, the standard deviation which is 4. So the numerical will be 42 and the standard deviation will be 4. By this we can solve the problem. The formula will be x minus 42 divided by 4. Now here we will take 50 in the place of x, which will form an equation of 50 minus 42 divided by 4, and it becomes easy to solve, which is 50 minus 42a, and a divided by 4 gives us a value of 2. Now we will start solving. As per the diagram or the chart, the 2 is a positive integer which falls on the right side of the chart. So the next one will be z less than 2. So the value of 2 in the chart will be 0.4772. We will start it by solving minus infinity to 0, minus 0 to 2. As I said, the value of 2 in the table chart will be 0.4772. Here we will add both the values. So here the equation will give us a solution of 0.977200. Now we will start by solving the second bit of our question, which is the second bit of the question is greater than 50, which will create positive 2. So here the value will be on the right side of the diagram. We will solve it by doing 0 to infinity, which will obviously give us 0.5. We will subtract it by 2 as we got the previous value 0.4772. After subtracting, we will get the solution of 0.0228. Now we will start solving the third bit of the question, which is less than 40. It is very similar as we solved the previous two bits. Here we are getting a minus value of 0.5, which will be on the left side of the diagram. So to solve this, we will take minus infinity to 0 and subtract it by minus infinity to 0.5. In the table chart, 0.5 value gives us 0.195. After subtracting 0.5 minus 0.195, we will get a solution of 0.305. Now let us solve the fourth bit. Here, as per the previous bit, it gives us a positive value of 0.5. So instead of subtracting, we will just add the two integers, which will give us a value of or a solution of 0.6915. Now we will move towards our fifth bit of the question. This fifth bit of the question is between 43 and 46. To solve this, we will take both the values and divide it in the formula, which will give us a value of 0.25 and a positive value of 1. So both the values will fall on the right side of the diagram. Now we will start it by solving 0 to infinity minus 1 to infinity. 0 to infinity will give us a value of 0.5, and 1 in the table chart will give us a value of 0.3413. After addition, we will get the solution of 0.1587. Now, similarly, we will solve the sixth bit of the question, which is between 40 and 44. As we solve the fifth bit of the question, we will solve the sixth bit of the question. It will give us a value of or a solution of 0.383. Now, we will solve the seventh bit of the question by using the same formula and the same technique. We will subtract 37 by 42 divided by 4, which will give a value of a minus 1.25, and then we will subtract 41 by 42 divided by 4, which will give us a value of a minus 0.25. So here we will solve by using the formula, which is minus 1.25 to 0 and minus 2.5 to 0. This will give us a value of 0.3944 minus 0.0957. Similarly, it will give a solution of 0.2964 after subtracting it. So now we will solve the second question. So first, let's start by solving the first bit of the question. Here it says more than 177 centimeter, which means greater than 177 centimeter. To solve this, we will use the Z formula of x minus u divided by standard deviation. It will give us a value of 177 minus 165 divided by 5, which will give us an ultimate solution of 2.4 in positive. We will again solve it. Because the value is in positive, it will fall on the right side of the chart. We will use and solve it as 0 to infinity minus 0 to 2.4. Now 0 to infinity gives us a solution of 0.5 minus 2.4 in the table chart gives us a solution of 0.4910. After subtracting, we will get a solution of 0.009. Now we will move towards solving our last and second bit of the question. It is less than 162 meters. So to solve it, we will use the same formula. We will subtract 162 by 165, which is minus 3, and it will be divided by 5, which will give a solution of minus 0.6. So it will fall on the left side of the chart. So we will take and solve it as minus infinity to 0 minus infinity to minus 0.6. The 0.5 plus 0.2250, it will give us a solution of 0.725, and by using this we can solve the normal distribution techniques.